Boom! I scare you? I hope I did. It's time. It's time to make the peeker rugs. I gotta set up the frame. I have to get the first image of the first peeker I want to make, and that is Zoro. I don't know if I said his name right. I probably didn't. Zoro from One Piece. He's gonna be the first peeker, and then the next peeker, you guys will see the video. I'm not gonna say who yet. You guys might be excited because there's a lot of fans of this character, so I'm excited to do that one as well. But let's set up the frame, get the image, flip it. Here's the image. Let me show the image. I've drawn, and we're gonna put it onto the frame, and we're gonna make it. Oh yeah, so we're doing a new format. Instead of me doing voiceovers, I'm just going to talk to you live and in person of what we're gonna do. So I hope you guys like this new format of video. So I got my fresh new pack of monk's cloth that I just finished the last one with the last rug you just saw. That was the last of my monk's cloth, so I ordered this new one off of Etsy. If you guys are curious, if you guys want to put the link in the description, I probably will, probably won't, I don't know. Let's put this on that bad boy. You can see me. What's up? How you doing? We're gonna put that on there. Man, there's that fucking transition. I don't know if that was really good. Might have been cringe. I don't know, but let's get into it. Let's get that image flipped, put onto the projector, trace it up, and then we can start. Okay, so I'm looking at the image. I think this is the size I want, but that means I won't be able to do another peeker at the bottom. So I'm thinking of doing a peeker collection with slab collections, because I have a couple of slabs that I've made, and I can make new ones of anime characters that you guys want to see in rug form. So I think a slab would fit perfect right here with a peeker, and then the next batch we'll do another peeker and another slab. I think that'll be perfect. I think that's what we're gonna do. Now it's time to trace the image and start working. Okay, it's done, but there was a freaking problem. I accidentally moved the projector and I couldn't get it back to its shape. So I had to eyeball it from the image. So I was like looking right here, and I was looking across, just making sure it was matching up. So right here it looks sketchy, but I think once I put in the colors, it'll all make sense. So yeah, that was the only problem we had. Everything else seems fine. It looks legit. Looks fucking sick, man. Sick, dude. Time to get started. Alright, so I finished the hair, but I want to color it in already because I'm kind of nervous on how it's going to come out. And for the lines, I only went through it once. These little lines, the little strokes, I only went through them once, but the actual outline of the hair, I actually double stroked it. So basically it has 4 sets of yarn on each line, because I wanted to make sure it looks very prominent once the green comes in. So yeah, I'm going to do the hair now because I'm a little nervous of the dark shaded green because I had to eyeball it. Remember I was telling you that I had to eyeball it? So I'm going to do that first. So we have this dark green, and then this, and then the rest of this. And then we're going to do that and then fill it in the green. And then all we got to do is fill in the face, and that's pretty much it. I thought it was going to be harder, but right now it's looking clean. If you want to see the actual back, the actual side, that's what it looks like. Super freaking sick. I'm excited now. At first I was kind of nervous. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys in the back so you guys can get back view. Alright? Call me when you want, call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Oh, call me. Alright, I finished the dark green. Came out pretty freaking clean. Now we're gonna do the lime green, and I'm gonna finish the hair off, and then we'll do the face tomorrow because it's already later and later in the day. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the green. I can't explain it. I'm so to you. So we finished the head, the hair, and we'll do everything else tomorrow. Glue it and everything. I think we'll probably finish it, and then we have to just pick a design for that bottom half. So it's gonna be like a rectangled item. So I don't know yet. We'll think about it. Show you just a little sneak peek. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, we're back. It's the next day. Now it's time to start on its face. We're gonna start with the black, and then we'll fill it in, and then that's pretty much it. Just the black, and then the skin color, and then the shading of the skin color. And then we just gotta outline it with white, and we're done. Da-da-da-da-da. Alright, we finished the rug. Finished all the white outline. You can't really see it, but we did it. We did the eye. You guys saw that. And yeah. So for me to continue on with this video, I have to finish the bottom part too. So that way I can glue both of them and cut them out. So hopefully tomorrow I have a SketchUp ready for that next video. So that way I can upload this video ASAP. And then that one. There's 2 videos in the same week. It's pretty sick. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Zoro making rug of the peaker. I did fuck up and put a blemish on the bottom of the rug, which doesn't really matter. I tried using the twill tape, but it just didn't want to work for the way I wanted it to do it. So I was like, I don't know how people do it. I don't know how they use the twill tape at the back of their rugs, but oh well, it's just the back. It doesn't really ruin the actual rug. But yeah, I will have this one up on sale on my Etsy page. I have my Etsy page coming out in probably like 2 days or a day. I'll put the link in the description if you guys do want to purchase this one-of-one rug. And I will be posting all my one-of-one rugs so you guys can have a chance to get them. These are going to be pretty cheap though because I'm just trying to get my name out there. So if you really want a rug right now, I think this is probably the best time. And if we, you know, if we get more sales, the price is going to go up because of the supply and demand. But as of right now, I'm going to just try and make a name for myself. So yes, if you guys do want this rug, it'll be on sale on my Etsy page. I'll see you guys. If you want to see it on my Instagram, go ahead and check it out as well. I have that link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you all in the next one. Peace.